Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Excel cannot open the file because the file format or file extension is not valid. Verify that the file has not been corrupted and that the file extension matches the format of the file. Error in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is you need to select the file that you can't open, okay, or you face the error with, and then do a right click, and here you need to scroll down and go with properties. The moment you've clicked on it, this new window will appear. Here you need to proceed to security, okay, and under that you can see their edit. Click on it, and here in this permissions for basic personal budget window. So this basic personal budget is the title of the folder that I have. Go with add, okay. And here in select users or groups window, click on advanced and go with this common queries. Go with find now, click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, this will appear. You need to expand it first, okay? And scroll down and look for everyone. So you can see here everyone next to event log readers. Click on OK and OK once again. After that, select the everyone that you have added under the group or usernames and make it in full control. Make sure that all of this boxed are checked. This full control, modify, read and execute, read, write. After that, apply and then OK. Okay. Once done, click on OK once again and open your Excel. I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this steps helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.